Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily video for Tuesday, the 2nd of July, 2024. Looking again at NVDA. So NVDA obviously has been a rocket ship. It's gone from sort of $10 to $140 in less than 2 years. Obviously, that's in split adjusted terms, and it's become, on certain days the most valuable company in the world. It's the number 3 stock in the S&P 500, and a stock like this, a stock that's as large as this with this sort of performance, is a real headache if you're in the big money community and if you're an investment manager and you're underweight. All right, if you're in the big money community and you're underweight, you are getting tough questions from your investment committee and your unit holders. So it hasn't been a case of, oh, should we buy the dip in NVIDIA? It's a case of, oh, thank God there is a dip. Of course we're buying the bloody dip. All right. And dips have been aggressively bought as obviously investment managers have been scrambling to get up to weight. So the question is, how do we know when the market is got the weighting it wants in something like NVIDIA? And we never know for certain, but there are clues. And one such clue would be looking at things like investment manager surveys. So this is a survey of institutional clients of JP Morgan that was taken last week. And they were asked, where do you see NVIDIA's market cap at year end? It's currently 3.1 trillion. Well, 58% say it's going to be between 3.5 to 4 trillion. And fully 87% say it's going to be at least 3 trillion. So that compares to current of 3.1. Now, the thing is with investment managers, when they answer questions like this, their answers they're more of a reflection of what they've done rather than what they really think the future is going to be. Okay, if you're market weight or even overweight NVIDIA, you want this thing to keep going, all right? So you're going to talk a bullish story. If you're underweight, you're still scrambling to get set, you're probably going to try and talk it down and say, oh, you know what, maybe NVIDIA will be 2.5 billion by the end of the year. And that's probably the 18% of respondents who are still underweight. So always remember that when you hear an investment manager or a pundit give a view, that view is nearly always based on what they've done or what their portfolio looks like, with the potential that there's a significant amount of anchoring bias and confirmation bias creeping into their answers. Now, that doesn't mean NVIDIA is dead in the water. If it continues to grow its earnings and revenues at the stellar rate it has been, it'll continue to attract more money. But I'm not expecting NVIDIA to take out its all-time high anytime soon. I think some consolidation and sideways churn is probably more likely from here. That's what I got for you. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Thank you.